Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to bring you this quick video to show you what is new with Creative Memories. We have 3 brand new simple page kits. These are a great way to be introduced to Creative Memories and how simple it can be to create pages and then albums. So this first simple page kit we have is called On the Bright Side. You have 2 background papers and then 1 page with a cutting guide. Now, little heads up, the cutting guide is going to be the same for all 3 of these simple page kits that I'm going to share with you. So with your page with the cutting guides, you're going to just turn it over to the back and cut on all the lines as shown. You can see each of the pieces here are numbered. This is going to help us put the page layout together. So now with our pieces cut, we can see where those pieces are going to go on our 2 backing sheets here that we have. I love that the instructions give you picture directions as well as some tips. So we're just going to lay out our pieces that we cut out according to the diagram. Then once we have our paper pieces stuck down, then you can use the sticker sheet, and they do give you also recommendations of where to put the stickers. If you want to though, you can wait and do the stickers once you've added your photos to the page, just whichever you prefer. And here is my On the Bright Side page kit with photos and journaling added from my Magnolia Design Company cruise that I earned a couple of years ago. And you can see this is really when the pages come to life, is when you add your own photographs and memories. The second simple page kit we have for beginner classes is called Natural Beginnings. As On the Bright Side was very bright and colorful, this one is definitely very neutral, and that doesn't mean you have to only put neutral photos on it. You're going to see at the end of this, when you add colored photographs, how it really makes everything pop. The idea behind these page kits and album kits that will go with them is to make it easy for continuity in your album. So just like the other album kit, we're going to cut apart the cut apart sheet, and you'll see that they're exactly the same size and shape pieces as the On the Bright Side. The layout is also going to be the same on all 3 of these kits. So the only thing that's different on these simple page kits is the color scheme and the stickers. Now, as I mentioned, there are full album kits that will be like the next step from these. So if you're interested in doing a beginner simple page kit class, let me know that in the comments. Choose one of these 3 kits I'm going to show you, and then I'll be able to recommend for you the next step, which would be an album kit. Now, like I said, 3 of these page kits have the same layout, but the album kits do not have the same layouts. I will be posting some future videos of the album kits. I have one ready to go for On the Bright Side. The next one will be Natural Beginnings. The third one will be Global Getaway, which is going to be the last page kit that I show you today. And now here is my Natural Beginnings Simple Page Kit with some photos from a camping trip. You can see how these Natural Beginnings, the neutral colors, can really go with photos of anything, but I really love them for outdoor photos especially. And the third Simple Page Kit currently available is called Global Getaway. This one's really fun, has some neutral colors, but also some greens and dark blues. The background paper here is really cool. It's got maps on it, which I think is fun. And like I said, we're gonna put this one together the exact same way. And just remember that there are album kits coming out that also coordinate with these that I will be sharing in future videos. This page and album can be used for any sort of travel, but I've decided I am going to make an entire album of all my trips to Uganda. This was one in 2018 that my oldest daughter went with me, and I just had so much fun going back through these photos and highlighting some of my favorite ones from this trip. Thank you guys so much for watching this short video. What's important now is if you are interested in taking with me a Creative Memories beginner class using one of these three, or I do have other options of simple page kits, please let me know in the comments. I am going to be offering these classes over Zoom so we can do them remotely, even if you are not close to me. Thanks so much, and be on the lookout for the album kit videos coming soon.